Hello guys, I am Danish Emil and you are watching Dani Labs Official. Today this video is going very special because today I am going to show you how to make a temple run game in a Thunkable or Appybuilder or Makeroid. So guys, let's get started. First of all, like our video. This is first step, as you know. Second step is that watch this video till end to use AIA file, because AIA file is description but you can't use. Why? Because today I am going to telling you steps to edit AIA file. If you don't edit AIA file, you can't use the AIA file. So guys, follow our steps and like our video. So guys, I'm just going to play this game to show you how this game works. So guys, you can see that here is the banner ad, and I think very nice to earn money. Okay, so guys, this will shows also interstitial ad, but sometimes you can show you can know that. So guys, you can see that here it shows finally our interstitial ad, and now it will play our game for us. So guys, you can see that it's show that our play game button. So guys, I'm clicking on play game. When you click on play game, it will start loading. You can see that it start loading. So guys, very nice. Here is advertisement, so you can close this ad by clicking on that close button and tap to continue. Okay, I'm tapping to continue. So guys, I'm going to play this amazing game. So guys, beginner tutorial. Okay, no problem. So guys, going to down. So guys, it's saying that turn around, and now on left side. Okay, now on right side. Okay, oh sorry, and now again on this side. Oh shit. So guys, yes, you can see that this is very amazing, and you can see that here is ad is refreshing again and again. So I think impatient can count on for this. I'm telling you, this is very good technique. So guys, let's get started how we can do that. So guys, first of all, you have to go, you know that first of all you have to go on app.thunkable.com. so guys, import the project from here. So, and you can see the temple run project. So I'm going to click on it and see that the screen one. You can see that here is the screen one. You have to change the banner ad ID and interstitial ad ID from here. Remove our ad unit ID. This is sorry, this is Google ad unit ID. I use sample ads. So guys, remove his sample ad unit ID from here, and then also remove the interstitial ad unit ID from here. Okay, and then you have to go on screen 2 from here. Go on screen 2, and you have to change the banner ad unit ID from here, and also change the interstitial ad unit ID and interstitial to ad unit ID. So guys, you have to change that ad unit IDs to change change your ads on here. So guys, I think this is very good system to play a temple run game on your Android phone via thunkable.com. So guys, this is a very good step to play this game on your phone. So guys, just download the AIA file. The link is in description. Download AIA file from description, and remember to like our video, follow our steps, and use the AIA file from description. And guys, one very important more thing. So guys, block section. You can see that the block section, in the block section we have used some banner ad visible to true, and interstitial ad and banner ad. We have to load these ads. Guys, if these ads are loaded, then okay. If these ads are not loaded, then remember to load these ads, because if these ads will not load, this will not show your ads. So guys, on web viewer we have embedded a game HTML website, so it will play very easy without any difficulty. It will play. So guys, we will meet in next video. Goodbye.